Most people think property flipping is about buying below market value, making a property look good and selling it for a premium. And yes, buying well matters a lot. But what people often underestimate is that the success of a flip depends just as much on the renovation decision, the design choices, how functional the spaces are, the quality of the workmanship and the materials, the speed of the renovation and the overall budget, because ultimately that's what determines the value you create. Hi, I'm Fedy. I'm a designer by profession, a real estate investor by passion, and a property flipper at heart, based in Dubai. I truly believe that successful property flipping sits at the crossroads of smart design, great project management, and strategic investment. And that's what first drew me into this world, because it brings together all of my skills and passion in one place. That's why I started this channel. On this channel, we explore property flipping through those three lenses. From an investment perspective, we'll dive into real estate insight, agent strategies, exit plan, and selling tips to help you make smarter property decisions from start to finish. From a design perspective, we'll get into the details that really matter when it comes to creating a property that performs better in the market, from design trends and layout improvements to material choices and smart, eco-friendly upgrades. And from a project management perspective, we'll uncover the best way to run a renovation more efficiently, save time and costs, understand why permits and approvals matter, and identify which upgrades help reduce costs versus the one that truly increase ROI. Through our independent YouTube show, Flipping Dubai, we follow experienced flippers to better understand the reality of the renovation journey, uncover best practices, and learn what truly works on the ground. You'll get a behind-the-scenes look at real flipping projects with access to real numbers, the difficult decision, and the often overlooked complexity behind the art of property flipping. So, whether you're a first-time investor, a small-scale flipper, or simply someone that wants to renovate with more clarity and confidence, you're in the right place. I'm Fedy, and here we design smarter, build better, and renovate for higher returns.